Hello guys, welcome back to another video of becoming a code expert. In this video we'll be solving a code which is type conversion from the GeeksForGeeks tutorial for Python. So this is the type conversion question. Given a double value d, typecast it to an integer value and print it. So the input will be in the form of a float value which is 10.23 and we have to typecast it to an integer value and we have to print that value. So what we should do is we have to typecast this into an integer. So I'll be printing int and d. So what this does is the float value, that is d, will be converted to an integer. Now let's compile and run this code. So the compilation got completed and now let's submit. So all the test cases got cleared and I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.